Thousands of UK investors are already using Trixo Fund to trade smarter, with back-tested results showing up to 18% better execution efficiency compared to manual strategies. One user turned £1,200 into £3,800 in just 3 months with a simple AI-powered setup. And right now, early users get exclusive access to new Trixo strategies not yet available to the public, but only through the official link below. So, what is Trixo Fund? It's not hype, not luck. It's an AI-driven crypto trading platform that gives you real-time automation, strategy execution, and market intelligence without staring at charts or making emotional decisions. Trixo tracks live price movements, detects institutional trades, reacts to global news, and adapts as conditions shift. It's your 24/7 co-pilot, analyzing, optimizing, and executing every move with precision. Whether you're a beginner or managing a large portfolio, Trixo gives you full control. Your funds stay safely on trusted exchanges like Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase. You can pause, adjust, or switch to demo mode anytime. Not ready to commit? Try the full-featured demo, risk-free. See how Trixo fits your trading goals before ever connecting a real account. The platform has already gained attention in UK crypto circles and is trusted by a growing community of results-driven traders. Crypto markets won't wait, but you don't have to trade alone anymore. Click the official Trixo Fund link below, claim your bonus, and unlock smarter trading. Starting today, the future isn't manual, it's smart, it's automatic, it's Trixo Fund.